I hope she loves her mini. Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today is my final episode for Barbie hair Reroot documentary. Yay! The final episode. Can you believe it's been taken forever? I know. So it's my 8th episode, I think. Yeah. So in my last episode, I finally finished with her hair part. Today, I wanna put her into the box with some accessories I picked. I'm gonna put her head back to her body with new outfit, which I picked for Saya. I will show you what I picked for her. So for putting her, I'm using this Barbie box. I saved this box so I can nicely put her in the box so I can send it to her as a gift. So excited. Let me show you her body. Here's her body. So I dressed her already. My friend Saya, she literally wears like this. Like she likes denim and she really likes kind of loose fit top like this. Yeah, I ordered this on Etsy. And also she wears boots. Dr. Martin kind of boots. And also she wears thick silver bangle. And now I'm finally putting her head here. Ah! Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how she looks because she literally looks like Saya. Oh my gosh. Wow. And now she looks like this. Wow. I need to take a photo of her with my mini. I will do that later. So here, I kept one Barbie box the other day so I can put her in this box. So I also have black fox leather. It's totally something like Saya would carry. So I picked this. And she plays the drum, so I have drumsticks for her. Turquoise blue and purple one. I got purple headphone, black hairbrush. So looks like she wears simple, but she's still unique. She likes adding some color. So yeah, I'm putting this jelly on her. It's definitely making her look unique for sure. She loves coffee, so one Starbucks cup for her. She's a graphic designer. She works on computer a lot, so she needs some coffee. So I'm putting that for her. So I will place them with glue dots. But first of all, I want to take a photo of her with my mini. I noticed that she didn't get her nails done, so I will put some color on her nails. I used these two colors. MCLA Barbie Collection Barbie Dream House. And another color from... I always like putting multiple color on one hand, both for myself and also for Barbies. Okay, let them dry now. Okay, her nails are dry. So cute. I'm gonna put this necklace on her. The Saya's fashion is really cool. Like she has her own style and really unique. Little accent. So I'll put like this. I wanna let her hold 2 sticks like that. It's gonna be cool. Ta-da! I did it! So I put some accessories with her. A headphone because she's a musician. Coffee cup. And she's holding drumsticks because she plays a drum. Black leather bag. She wears boots. It's so cute. She's so Saya. I hope she likes it. Yeah, she's not a Barbie collector, but I really wanted to give her birthday present. She's so special. I hope she loves her mini. Me and Saya have totally different taste and style for fashion and everything. Yeah, but we still get along together really well and we're like really good friends. Yeah, like I don't think I can find better friend besides her. Yeah, she's my great friend. Ta-da! So this is how she looks in the box. Is she cute? Like her white tops, I really feel like she was wearing this type of top when I was in Tokyo this time. Yeah, like a loose fit, like nice pretty cut. So, and of course she needed to hold drumsticks. Very cute. Hope she loves her. I cannot wait to ship her to Saya. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pink Sask Barbie quarantine. Bye.